let's take a look at the VBS 2020 Kids Starter Kit from Lifeway. Now this is for Concrete and Cranes VBS, and if you're interested in purchasing the starter kit plus the digital add-on, you get everything that's included in the box plus a digital version of all of the leader guides and rotation guides that's included in the Kids Starter Kit. So let's take a look inside. First up, you will see there's a grades 1 through 2 kit. You'll have a leader pack, you'll have the leader guide, and you have a sample of the activity book for kids, which is suitable for grades 1 through 4 or 1 through 6. Then we have a leader guide, a leader pack, and a kids activity book for grades 3 through 4. Also, you'll find our VBX resources, which is for preteens or grades 5 and 6. There's a leader pack, there's a leader guide, and there's a brand new this year preteen activity book, so that your preteens have an opportunity to dig down deeper in God's Word each and every day of VBS. So all of these resources will outfit you for one room for each of these age groups, grades 1 through 2, grades 3 through 4, and grades 5 through 6. You may want to purchase additional resources. Here's a good rule of thumb. You need 1 leader pack for every room of this age group, 1 leader guide for every teacher, and 1 activity book for every child. Let's talk about rotation resources. You have just about everything you could possibly want in this starter kit. We have the Craft Rotation Leader Guide, which again has crafts for 1st through 6th grade. The Missions Rotation Leader Guide, which includes a DVD-ROM with missions videos. There's also a Music Rotation Leader Guide, which also has a DVD so that you can learn the motions ahead of time. And you will also find snack cards, and there are rec cards in this box as well. Everything you need to plan 1st through 6th grade. Now there are some samples of things in here that may be particularly helpful to you. The first one is a bunch of stuff that's designed just for kids in this age group. So there's a memory maker, there is sticky foam shapes, which are stickers, there's a pencil and a fun little fidget pencil topper that I think kids are going to love. And then there's a sample of all of our craft packs that are available for Concrete and Cranes. So you can choose which of these you would like to include in your crafts rotation. And then finally, you will see a VBS catalog, which lets you look through all of the tools that are available here to help you put on your best VBS ever.